And ladies and gentlemen, please continue to observe the fasten seatbelt sign until your captain has switched it off. However, for your comfort, but especially your safety, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the duration of your flight. For your convenience, you will find a reading light, a call bell and a fresh air vent situated in the panel above your head. Toilets are located one to the forward and two to the rear of the cabin. Shortly now, the crew will commence their in-flight bar service, serving you a selection of hot and cold drinks, snacks, teas, coffees, beers, wines and spirits, all available for your purchase. Full details can be found in the back few pages of the in-flight magazine which crew are now distributing to you. But for now, we invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight.